No, instead it just loops for 2 minutes or whatever you set it at, and then restarts again, which is absolutely pants. So I've set it to different this time, and hopefully it'll continue for more than 4 minutes. It's a shame actually, because I got some good footage this morning, nice and bright, but we'll see how it does in the dark, I suppose. One thing I did notice, but I don't know whether it was to do with any setting, but the image stabilization seems to be non-existent, so we'll see. It could have been because of the crap weather this morning. Who knows? Ah no, Mr. Biker's nicked my position. Oh, I do love the sound of V-twin. Good old SV. I miss my TL1000R just for the fun factor. You used to start the thing up and people used to laugh because it was so loud. Oh, not making that one. Get out of the way for this other guy. I thought he wanted a bit of fun, but maybe not. Let's go around the outside of this lot. It'd be interesting to see whether the sound is actually picked up. Now I've just seen a flashing indicator, red, so I don't know whether that means it's still recording or whether it's lost it. Oh, nice Merc there. I won't try and go around the outside in case he floors it, which he did. Yeah, bye bye Merc. Left Mr. Merc behind, second gear. Ooh, I can smell a clutch. I hope that's not mine. Change. Mr. SV is still behind me. I take it back, he's nowhere near me. hate this corner. Whenever I decide to go fast around it, there's always a car on it, stopped. So I never do anymore. Oh, that's so much better going around there now they've resurfaced it. Oh, car's coming and not enough room there really. He's alright, he's moved. Good man. Oh, Mr. SV, don't do that. They always pull out here. It's the worst place. Let's see if we can catch him up. He's outdone us. Come on, dude. What are you waiting for now? That's it. Straight into all that parked traffic. You numpty. Right. Look, you see that? Right indicator on just because there's a fucking bus there. It's fucking stupid they are. Why have you got a Triumph jacket on? Oh my god, that wasn't a clutch, it's this guy's bike. It stinks. What have you got in there, buddy? Oh yes. You alright? Thank you very much, mister. Now, we better not go too mental down here, had we? Because just up there is a speed camera. Let's knock it down a few. Drop a gear and disappear, as they say. Alright, I think we're safe. Come on, Mr. Muppet. Got another speedy McGreedy. Nice and slow. And then we go.